What's up, zztvers? So for today's video is we will be showing you how to put a ringband on the baby cuckoos. Why?
Because a monster will go under your bed and anything will move.
Why will be there? Why there's a monster on their bed?
And you not subscribe for our video.
So they need to subscribe so the monster will not come on their bed.
And you left something at the chair, it will get gone.
Oh, the monster will take it?
Yeah.
Oh.
And subscribe now. I don't want to let you do that. And it all good or bad, click the like or subscribe for our video and the flyer, or the monster will take any cuckoos.
So let's go.
And climb up the ladder.
Okay, let's go first.
Yeah. Okay. I said super loud.
Okay.
Wait, where's the brother? That's the sister. That's the sister.
Where's your camera pointing? On me?
Yeah. Yeah.
You want me? Not the baby pigeons?
The baby pigeons.
Yeah.
Not you.
So, we will put the ring.
We can't hold this.
Can you put the ring?
No, I just want to see what happens.
See it first. Check it first. Look like the what?
And they are eating the floor. They are eating the floor. They look like eating the floor.
Hold this. I'll just find the stick.
Okay. Down?
No.
One here.
No, they don't know how to peck.
They're pecking.
Yeah, they're trying to peck na.
Ew.
How you know it? So guys,
Yeah, I gave them food and they just peck. Eat this.
lagyan natin sing-sing kasi ito yung mga pang future breeders natin
Yeah.
sa ating loft.
I think this one is the brother. This one is the sister. This one is the brother. This one is the brother. This one is the sister. That one is something.
Oh.
Skills. Oh man.
You video it, I'll put a ring. Look at the camera so you see what I am doing, not on the pigeon. Is the pigeon being taken?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Why did blind? Black
Blind?
only.
you can see,
I see my face.
see your face. Oh.
You hit weak. Look at that.
He pooped na. So, put the ring like this. Oh, where are you looking at? Look at the camera. Then, put it like this. Use the feather of the mama pigeon. Then, pull, tuck it. See? Oh no!
Why?
He kicked it on the poop. This other one. Don't worry, we can still put the other one. Oh, are you getting the...
Yeah.
So put it in, push it, and then use the feather. Oh, where's the camera? Oh, look. See? You got the ring now.
But you can hold this for a second. And you subscribe for our video. The monster will not take anything.
Oh, so you need to subscribe so the monster will not take anything.
Yeah, and then he will not stay. He will go back home and stuff to get trapped and kill that ant.
Let's put them back na.
What am I seeing?
That's not a lotteries.
Mulberry.
Mulberries. Oh, there's a purple no.
Where?
Here.
Where? I can't see. Put it down for me.
Oh.
Where?
Yeah.
Here?
Use your eyes. You see it?
Yeah.
Can you get one purple? Oh, try to eat it. Tell me if it's tasty. Soury, sweet. What?
Sour.
Still sour? But it's purple now.
The inside is red. The inside is red. I have blood. Look like this, the blood.
Look like blood, but
Yeah.
it's the mulberry.
Yeah. It tastes sour. Where I can put this? You
I'll
will
eat
eat
it.
it.
Oh, we forgot the baby pigeon.
What?
Oh, yours is sweet eh. Oh, I'll put back the baby pigeons na. Oh, did they check it na? So this will be how it look like.
Baba, I got the baby cook and he's running. See? You see? I will get you, baby cook. I will get you. I will get you. I will get you. You fly down.
This is the other one.
He's almost pooping.
Why do we need to put a ring?
Because and they are big, you can't put a ring.
Yeah. But I mean, what's the purpose? What's the purpose?
Purpose?
Yeah. Purpose. Like, what will it do if you put a ring on the baby pigeon? That will be their identity.
Yeah.
Because some of the pigeons look alike. And you can't distinguish who is who. So we put rings so we know which one is... Huh?
No, but then...
You poop on the feeder?
Yeah.
Baka matapakan mo eh. I'll put them back na ha.
Where is me, guys?
Where are you?
Yeah. Inside or outside?
I think if you are inside,
Or outside?
press the like button if he's outside, and if he's inside, press the
Subscribe button.
subscribe button.
And the white one is back. I will catch you. Catch you.
So let's go na.
I'm out already.
Goodbye guys. Peace out. And stay safe.